Welcome to this Enjoy a Better World instructional video podcast. Today's topic is muscle testing. In addition to the physical body, human beings have several energy fields. This has been known for thousands of years and is demonstrated most easily by the practice of acupuncture. The fields and energy pathways have been documented with scientific precision for over 2,500 years, and the art of acupuncture itself certainly is much, much older. Animals, plants, minerals, and all other substances also possess energy fields. This can be easily seen in Kirlian photographs and is well supported by the most modern scientific theories. Of course, the problem is that most people do not easily perceive these fields of energy. However, those people who can naturally sense the energy fields and scientific testing both confirm that the energy field of human beings is constantly influenced by things in the environment, by thoughts, by emotions, and even by people at a distance. In some cases, the human field is resonant or harmonious and stronger. In other cases, the field is dissonant or disharmonious and weaker. Muscle testing is a technique that has been developed to assist in perceiving the state of resonance or dissonance in the person's energy field. It is based on the observation that when the energy is resonant, a person's physical muscles are stronger, and when the energy is dissonant, the physical muscles are weaker. For example, if a particular vitamin is beneficial to a particular person, then when that person is in the physical proximity of the vitamin and therefore interacting with the energy field of the vitamin, the muscles will actually be slightly stronger. On the other hand, if a person is near a clearly harmful substance like gasoline, then the muscles will be slightly weaker. Now, let's learn the actual technique. To perform the actual muscle test, touch the thumb and ring finger of the left hand together as shown. It's important that the rest of the hand remains straight. The trick here is to learn the right amount of pressure to apply between the thumb and ring finger. If there's too much or too little pressure, then the technique won't work properly. Fortunately, practice will make the pressure perfect. Next, place the index finger of the right hand into the loop that's made by the thumb and ring finger of the left hand as shown. To do the muscle test, you will exert pressure with the index finger against the point where the thumb and ring finger meet. As before, practice will perfect the right amount of pressure. When the muscles of the left hand are in a resonant field, the thumb and ring finger will remain touching as shown. However, when the muscles are in a dissonant field, the thumb and ring finger will separate when pressure is applied as shown now. You should practice this technique daily for about 5 minutes at a time. The best way to practice is to say the word resonant, then do the test. Next, say the word dissonant, and then do the test again. Randomly alternate and be sure to relax the left hand between each test. Watch this practice example. Resonant. Dissonant. Resonant. Resonant. Dissonant. Remember, the objective you're shooting for is to have the same pressure between the thumb and ring finger and the same pressure applied by the index finger for every test. Once you can do that, then the results will depend on the strength of the muscles in the left hand based on the energy field they're in. Okay, now let's see how you can apply the muscle testing technique. The glass you see contains natural spring water. Imagine absorbing the energy of the spring water into the finger of your right hand. Remember that the energy will affect your entire body, and that includes the left hand. Now do the test. As you can see, the thumb and index finger remain close together, which means that the spring water resonates well with the person, and it should be good for them. Now, watch as the test is repeated with a glass containing rubbing alcohol. As before, Absorb the energy with your right hand, then perform the test. As you can see, the alcohol was dissonant, which means it's not good for you, and probably most people wouldn't want to drink it. In the same way, you can test supplements, foods, and even ideas. We were testing ideas in the examples where we showed you in practice to say resonant and dissonant. We're going to be learning additional techniques for applying muscle testing and additional energy testing techniques later in the Enjoy a Better World program. To get more information, go to www.enjoyabetterworld.com. That's www.enjoyabetterworld.com. That's all for now. Remember, practice this technique every single day. Thanks a lot.